Music. Yeah, this is the bar light that we're doing.
Okay.
So this is going to be a full-size bike.
Okay.
Along with the laser-cut silhouettes, LEDs and spotlights.
What?
And we're making the whole thing. So even the wall, everything we're doing.
What about this mirror?
So it's an infinity mirror.
Okay.
So it looks like it's going deep into space. But it's
Okay.
not. If you just hold the camera steady,
Ooh, okay.
you can turn it like this, and you can see how it looks like it's turning.
Wow.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah, it's really,
like cruising out.
very nice. It's really nice.